Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the 2017 Pennywise smile. Don't judge me, but yeah, I'm like the only one that I know that can actually do it. Alright, here it goes. So there you go. So, took me a long time to get it, but I used to go like this, but then you want to relax your bottom lip and just let it point like this, and then smile. Keep doing that. At first, it's going to be like this, but then you'll get it, and then soon it'll be like this. So, yeah. That's how you do the 2017 Pennywise smile. And guys, don't give up if you can't do it. Just keep trying, and then soon you'll get it.